Welcome back to DrunkenChefBbq. In today's video, we're going to be grilling up some Mexican corn. Before we put these on the grill, you want to go ahead and put your corn in some water and soak them for at least an hour. You want those leaves to get very, very moist. Then you're going to drain the water, stick them in a bowl. We're going to go out to the grill. We want your grill to be about 375 to 400. Then we're going to go ahead and open up the lid. We're going to place these up on the top rack. And we're going to grill these for about 20 minutes. This will be direct heat. After about 20 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip and cook them up for another 20 minutes. At this point, we're going to remove them from the grill. We're going to go ahead and take them inside and we're going to get them dressed. Alright, so we're inside. Let's go ahead and get these dressed up here. Some of these ingredients we're going to use is melted butter, juice of a lemon, Mexican crema, mayonnaise, and some queso cotija. First thing you want to do is go ahead and peel back the ears of the corn. Get them all the way back so you can get on the inside there. Remove the hairs, those string hairs that are on corn. Take those out, toss them in the trash. We don't need those. Get that nice and clean, pull those back. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get that melted butter and we're going to paint it over the corn all around. Next thing you want to do is get your favorite seasoning. In this case, we're using Summer Heat from DrunkenChefBbq. Go ahead and open up that Mexican crema. This is a bomb stuff right here. Pour it over the corn. Slide over, get the cotija cheese, and you want to pat it in. You don't want to roll it because then it clumps up all the rest of the cheese. Hit it with the Summer Heat again. Then we're going to take this lemon. We're going to get this juice and we're going to put it all over the corn. Boom, money right there. Set it aside. We're going to go ahead and do a second one, but we're going to use mayonnaise this time. And we're going to let you enjoy the music while we do this. I want to give a big shout out to Gorilla Joe's Barbecue for this suggestion. Go ahead and check him out. His links will be down below in the description.